So most of this stuff, so you'll have a lot of equipment to work with, not just, learning theory, but you'll have hands-on, and you can see the brand new as well. And more labs being opened upstairs, and also at main campus, there's another one. So really, all these gadgets that you see are yours to be used, and you can learn. You can live here and enter straight in the hospital and be able to execute, and have some students here who are learning some stuff here. Microbiology. Which year? Okay. Nice. Almost there. All right, cheers. Best of luck. Now this is where the IT guys come through. You can come here and do your accounting. It's open as internet. You can also do your editing, videos if you know, Adobe, all that stuff you can learn here. And we actually have several others on the upper floor. Come, let me show you. Now this is another edit, they call it IT lab, but this is changing. And we're going to have the media students who are learning how to edit. We're going to put some IMAX here. They'll do the Final Cut Pro, but now Adobe and, all that stuff. But the TV guys, so the movies, the fast cut, the TV shows, everything's going to be done in here. So we'll change it into that. And it's going to be, and again, motion graphics as well. The classes will be in here, and we'll be able to do online as well. As you can see, she's doing some, she's editing some pictures. Yeah, so this is going to be the working on our license. So we should be up and running very soon. I think by Friday, we should be up in 4 or 5 days. And we'll start. The students are ready. They're ready, man. I'm excited. Some of the talent that we found, and of course, but they don't, stay on for so long because new students come in, and I'm sure in September, the September intake is going to be all right. So we also have we're learning how to DJ the other side, and also the training. So we have another radio station the other side, but that's mainly for training. So yeah, here we are. I want to show you one last space on this building, which is the 9th floor. You have the library and have the cafeteria. Let me take you on the final floor. This is our library. So, hi, how are you? This is a library. Books in here. Students are studying, so I have to keep quiet. The students who are doing catering, they're usually here. So as much as it's a canteen, but they cook for the students, the guests, and everybody, and they can serve the students. So this is their lounge where they come and chill, play their music. They usually have movies. They have screens and have some movies. They have some, competitions, rap, whatever.